Hello, my name is Andrew Ainskov. I'm a student of the 6th grade of Gymnasium number 7. At grade years, be a friend. Be a friend, you don't need money, just a disposition sunny, just the wish to help another, get along some way or other, just a kindly hand extended out to one who's unbefriended, just the will to give or lend. This will make you someone's friend. Be a friend, you don't need glory. Friendship is a simple story, passed by trifling errors blindly. Gaze on honors, effort kindly. Cheer the youth who's bravely trying. Pity him who sadly sighing. Just a little labor spent on the duties of a friend.